This is my awesome Minecraft thing. It'd be perfect for zombies, but I didn't know you could play zombies on here. For protection, got a bunch of doors. That door's supposed to be closed. And you open that. And you go up. You're in the basement of my house. Here's my house. Gotta go upstairs. There's my bench. Just sit on my bench. Yep. That's my awesome Minecraft house. Well, that's all.